In this video, I'm going to show you how to add school email to Gmail. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Gmail, and then you want to go top right over here where you can see the settings icon. Click on that, and then you want to click on See All Settings. Inside the settings, you want to click on the fourth tab over here, which says Accounts and Import. Now, from here, it's very important that you know whether your educational or school email actually is a POP3 account. So if it is a POP3 account, what you can do is just click over here, Import Mail and Contacts, and then this window will pop up. Over here, you want to simply type in your email address for your school or educational email, and then after that, press continue, and then you'll be prompted to log in. Now, if it doesn't allow you to because it's not a POP3 account, what you can do is go down here where it says check email from other accounts, and you can just click add an email account over here, and then try adding it this way, and then one of the ways will definitely work for you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.